Python is the second largest language in the world and it can do almost anything you want it to do. This combined with its large community and easy to understand syntax makes this a go-to for beginners. If you're a beginner, here's how to learn it. Hello and welcome to Creatively Python. If you're a beginner wanting to learn Python, this is the video for you. Be sure to stick till the end to not miss any steps. First step is to learn the fundamentals. You should watch a couple of YouTube videos and you should have a good understanding of the basic syntax. If you learn the basic syntax and think this is the right language for you, then you should commit to it by watching a more in-depth Python tutorial on YouTube or buying a course. Third step is to build projects to apply your skills. Fine even if you jump into a project without knowing how to code a part of it, as you will learn new things as you build these projects. Third step is to choose what field to specialize in. Already have something in mind, then feel free to go for it. If you don't, then you should be trying out different things and see what works best for you. I recommend watching some YouTube videos and reading some articles on fields that you might want to try out but don't really know anything about. Remember that as a beginner you can always try out new things. Doing these steps should take anywhere from a couple of months to several years. After following these steps, you should have quite a good understanding of the language and should be able to write quite complex pieces of code. If you gained any value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing as you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.